Yeah, hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Frank for those who don't know me, and for those who are family, welcome back. Like, share, and subscribe. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the CCTV camera. So we are here to take quotation. We are just taking quotation. We just want to see the size of the shop. We need to do the camera. So we are going to install the cameras according to the hands of the client. So guys, this is where we are. Yeah, so yes, somewhere called, this place is called, so tell people something.
Hello guys, my
Tell
name
them.
is Carol Health. You can give me on my YouTube channel by that name. I do.
Tell them some. Are you afraid of
I'm
cameras?
shy.
Why are you shy? Move around. We need to see you somewhere. Yeah.
So you
Okay.
can
So
see
so
me.
move here. Yeah.
Hey,
There's no light. Yeah, there.
so today we are doing
This is Umoja. This is Umoja 1. Yeah.
I'll be showing you around.
So what will you be doing today?